A child blessed with wisdom beyond his years, a life of purity untouched by sin. This is the story of Yahya alayhi salam, a symbol of pity and faith. Hazrat Yahya alayhi salam was a noble prophet, the son of Zakaria alayhi salam. He was granted by Allah as a miracle after a sincere dua. The Quran honors him as pure, righteous and devoted. From a young age, Yahya alayhi salam was different. Allah granted him wisdom while he was still a child. O Yahya, hold firmly to the scripture. Yahya alayhi salam lived a life of complete purity. He stayed away from sin and devoted himself to worship. He was kind, humble, and obedient to his parents. Yahya alayhi salam spoke the truth even in difficult times. He called people towards righteousness and obedience to Allah. He feared no one except Allah. Yahya alayhi salam lived simply from worldly desires. He focused on guiding people and worshipping Allah. His life was a reflection of sincerity and devotion. Allah granted Yahya alayhi salam honor in this world and the hereafter. Peace was upon him the day he was born, and peace will be upon him the day he dies and is raised again. The story of Yahya alayhi salam teaches purity of heart and actions. True success lies in obedience to Allah, not in worldly gain. Live with sincerity and remain firm in faith.